Only sex education I have is through my friends.
Taught to us.
We were never spoken by our parents about sex.
And through Netflix.
So I remember in class 10th,
It was never my parents who made me sat down and said, okay, this is this and this is that. I always got it from my friends or my teachers or whatever from the internet. That's it.
Hello, everybody. Do you remember the third chapter of your 8th standard book? Reproduction chapter. Do you remember how that was explained to you? Did you look at your friend and smile and wink? Or the whole class was just silent and the teacher read the chapter from the book and without explaining it? Yeah, this is something what I remember from my 8th standard. So tag along with us as we bring you such more incidents. What according to you or what is the funniest memory you remember of sex education being taught to you?
We actually did not had sex education in our school. The only sex education I have is through my friends.
Actually, I've never been very vocal about it, and actually, nobody has been vocal about it with me, so no memory.
Taught to us.
Like you will also remember the first lesson that we got was in our 8th standard. That is the first time.
The funniest incident is back in 8th standard in school. We had a biology class, and we were all in same school, and it was an all girls school. Irrespective of that, I remember very nicely that the biology teacher came inside the class and she took a chalk and she wrote SEX in capital letter, and then she saw a male teacher passing by, and then she just ran off the board to rub it down. So before getting my sex education, it was already erased from the board.
I actually don't remember anything. I sucks in that.
so I remember in class 10th we had this chapter called reproductive system. So हमारी टीचर ने she got so nervous कि कैसे पढ़ाऊंगी मैं. The first thing she did was कि उसने बोला था books कोई नहीं खोलेगा because उसमें diagrams वगैरह थे and students used to ask these questions. तो what she did was उसने बोला था कि मैं पूरे chapter notes से ही पढ़ाऊंगी and she got so awkward, we could see it in her face कि वो इतनी awkward हो रही थी. उसने पूरे notes से ही हमें पढ़ाया था, book भी खोलने नहीं थी. I think that is funny for me.
And through Netflix. But yeah, my sex education, my parents have played a vital part in it. Like, I am very open with them, honestly saying.
Actually, as 90s kids, so we were never spoken by our parents about sex as much as possible. Once my nani came to me and she just said, "Ab time aa gaya hai." And I was like, for what? So I was in 7th or 8th standard, I remember. So she told me that, do you know what sex intercourse is? So I was like, no, I don't have any idea. Though I knew, but of course I had to act. So then she explained me, but that was very polite of her and she did not make it funny or something like that.
They're like, I just asked him, what does that mean? I had no clue when I was in grade 9th what does virginity means. I asked my mom and she tells me virginity means this. I'm like, okay, nice.
Only got to know about this from our friends. Yeah.
Hot topic in our group discussion in around 8th and 9th standard ki what is this यार तुझे पता है इसके बारे में उसके बारे में like that's all.
तो ऐसा नहीं किया होगा. Something like that.
Okay, so ma'am, how did you get the information about sex education?
I was a bio student, so I know a bit about it, but I don't really care about all these things.
Interested in bio. I got to know through my sister, elder sisters. Yeah.
Actually, I don't actually remember, somebody giving me sex education. So I really can't talk about it. Like this is one of the things that we have experienced in school only. So
Majority of my friends discovered sex ed by themselves and by talking to each other, and I think that is while that is okay, but for I can't say it's how kitne extent tak it's safe, because all of us are still growing, we're still discovering. So our parents or maybe experienced people should actually be more open about it so we make safe and good decisions about our future.
No, I don't think I've had such experience, no.
So sex education was taught to you. Who taught you sex education?
It was never my parents who made me sat down and said, okay, this is this and this is that. I always got it from my friends or my teachers or whatever from the internet. That's it.
So, do you think that there should be some kind of change that should be brought into our curriculum for a better sex education?
Yes, of course. Every person should know about the sex education. For me, according to me, every person should know.
Absolutely, because there have been crimes done by kids like us or even younger than us. So rapes would be much less if there are proper portals of information and by parents, of course, and if kids are taught about that.
There is need of better sex education because of the growth of the coming rape cases. In fact, I work in Safdarjung pediatric ward, and recently I have seen 3 rape cases, that too in 5 years children only. So we need to educate the children. Even 3 years children should be taught what are the sensitive areas.
Touch, we need to include that in the curriculum.
Open-minded with the parents.
Open mind with the parents' consent ki we are going to tell them what is important for themselves. In fact, literacy is also an important. First, we need to get the education rate. Illiteracy is much a big problem in our country. First, we need to tell the people what is education important, and then we need to tell them what is sex education.
Obviously, India needs a ground where sex ed is important. Everywhere it's important, and in India, yeah, it is. Because I think schools should make it a subject, sex ed, so that children are aware what they're going through.
For a better sex education.
I mean, there should be a subject called sex education. There should be a subject where people are actually taught what is good behavior and bad behavior, because being a child, I was never like, I have been through physical abuse in my life, but I have never been taught what was the right kind of where to stand and who to go and talk to.
I have never been taught sex education, and I think it's high time that we introduce it into schools and colleges even, because it's very necessary. There are some very important questions that need to be answered at a very young age, because it's very important.
That is one thing. I think sex is still considered a taboo in India. Parents are not so open, like they do not want to discuss it with their kids, but I think it starts from the very first step. It is your home and your parents which are like the founding members who educate yourself and give their children their values. So if it is not inculcated within them from the beginning, that is when we find these rapists, because it's always in your socialization. You have been brought up in that manner. That is why they treat women as just a mere object. That is, I guess, what happens.
There's no counselor system. Like in Delhi, you still have schools that provide a basis of counseling, but back in Patna, like there's no system of counseling in school. So I mean, that would be great if they could actually introduce a counselor in school, or maybe they could introduce a proper classes for this.
If you'll know about it, you'll be aware of it. Yeah.
Moreover, it won't be a taboo if we are aware about it. That that's sex or whatever. It should be okay. That's very normal, and it should be acceptable. The main motto should be acceptance. That we should really accept that that's natural, and that's
It's just a life. If a person want to do it, they can do it. No, whenever they want. One should not judge a person about being virgin or not virgin. So it just depends on a person to person. It's important. Sex education is important.
Definitely.
What are the few of the changes that you think that should be brought in?
They should be more open about it and be clear with the topics.
Like,
Talk about it more. It is a taboo. So we need to talk about it more. When we will talk about
recently
it.
it was that नहीं someone मतलब किसने बोला था ना कि sex education हटा देना चाहिए, some minister
Yes, ma'am, that was in Gujarat.
in Gujarat ना, तो after seeing that
Is not open to all these topics, so we need to talk about it more so that these incidents rates just go down.
And also we are very close to our parents, so parents should also talk about this.
Parents are hesitant to talk about it first. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So insecure. In spite of giving this sex education teaching, they hamper our independence. They talk to be in your limits and be in your home and all. Matlab, these two are interconnected. You should open to sex education so that they can be independent for everything.
If you will see, like, it is not much in India, but like teenage pregnancy and all stuff comes up. So if they know that this is the age and your kids might get involved in all that. So rather give them the right education about it, because if you cannot prevent it, either give them the right education about it, आगे consequences ना हो. So yeah, this is the thing. Yeah.
Starting off, schools should stop, like convent schools especially, like where we came from, they should stop treating sex, when it comes to teenagers, they stop treating it as a taboo. And it should be talked about, like kids should
It's
know.
not a sin. I mean, you have done it and that's why you are here and that's why we are here. You should not, you know.
So many details about
Yeah.
myself, but then I'll be in a lot of trouble. So
I mean, you should talk about it. That's the reason why we are here. There's nothing to be ashamed of. And the fact that, also the fact that, you know, girls enjoying sex is such a big taboo. I mean, it's just sex. We can enjoy it as much as others are, right?
And ma'am, what do you think, what changes are required that in India sex education should be taught and what not?
Need to know about sex education. It's not something to be talked privately. It's a very common phenomenon. It's very natural. You should know about it. You should know that it is very common, natural. उसके बारे में छुप छुप के बात करने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. It should be taught, like everyone should know that.
Being an Indian student, there should be some kind of change that should be brought in our curriculum regarding sex education.
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक हार्डली होती है सेक्स एजुकेशन किसी को, मतलब जितना वट एवर वी नो ऑफ सेक्स इज़ थ्रू यू नो अदर मीडियम्स एंड नॉट थ्रू स्कूलिंग. तो आई थिंक बहुत ही, और इसमें मतलब सबसे पहले तो ये टैबू हटा देना चाहिए कि सेक्स बुरी चीज़ है. मतलब वी ऑल नो इट्स समथिंग वेरी नेचुरल एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी शुड फोकस ऑन, कि मतलब एंड वी शुड डील विद इट फॉर्मली कि ऐसा होता है ताकि बच्चों को भी पता चले. आई मीन इट्स प्रीटी ऑब्वियस कि ऐसे ही होना चाहिए.
Also the fact that in schools, in convent schools especially, they actually slut shame us. Like, you know, we are in school, we are kids, and teachers are doing it to us. Like, I have been through friends' life where they have been slut shamed by teachers. Like, you know, she's wearing shorts, what kind of a girl she is, she goes around with guys and what not. I mean, this idea has to, and actually the very fact that you know, this change women has to bring. You know, I would not expect, I have never been through a male teacher, like, you know, professor that is coming and telling me these things. These things come from female teachers, that they are slut shaming us. So this thing has to come from women.
I hope we could get back some funny childhood memories back to you. But we really need to realize that this is something that needs to be addressed. And sex education is something that really needs to be addressed. And this is the opinion that we bring to you about what people think and what changes they want to be brought into our curriculum. Do not forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching Psychologues.